All right, today, so I'm excited. Just got my new tent today, so we're going to do a really quick unboxing and kind of initial impressions on the new tent. I'm super excited. This is a Nuo Kuno, it's K-N-U-O, however you pronounce that, inflatable tent. It's the first time I've ever had an inflatable tent, and the hope is that I can do all this and set all this up myself. So let's unbox and take a look and see what we got. I am going to use a knife, which is probably a little scary for an inflatable tent, but I am going to just carefully go for it. Yep. Okay. There it is. And it's heavy. It says it weighs 44 pounds, and I believe it. Boy. Okay. Let's get all that out of the way. All right. Let's see what we got in this cool looking bag. Okay. Oh, here's the pump. So I will definitely be doing an electric pump for sure. Look at this thing. This thing's huge. Oh, that sounds like steaks. Let's take a look at these. See if I'm going to like them. I never like the sticks that come with. Well, these are not terrible, but I probably won't use them. Okay, let's see. Where's the front? Okay, I guess we just start filling it up, right? Okay. So this looks like this is where you fill. I wonder if this is adapters, one-way valves. Must be a one-way valve. The real question is, can I cheat? I think I can. Let's start this off with a cheat. So this might be where I go and set up the other parts of my camp while this is doing its thing and I'm not here pumping. I'm liking that. It's almost starting to look like a tent. I wonder, maybe I'll try some hand cranks, see what that's like. Yeah, it's way faster with this. Definitely need to try a different pump. It's not that bad. I wonder if this has protection against like an overpressure. Because that's around. I mean, it feels pretty good and reasonably sturdy, especially once you get to all the tie downs. So this is our super cheap blow up tent. Reasonably set. Okay, so we got the door. It's not mesh on the inside, which I think I would have preferred. And there's two, I guess the other toggle is for that, maybe. On the window, on the sides there are. So the sides have mesh, it looks like, just not the front or back, which it would have been nice if this was all mesh. I would have preferred that than the plastic, I think. Yeah, like I get wanting to have like a nice view. All right, let's step inside and take a look. Okay, I can stand. I love it. My rule, I can stand. So the big question is going to be, will my cot fit here? Which it should, I think, from the measurements. Worst case, I can do it this way, but if I can get a cot here, then I can get a second cot here, and we still have a little bit of a middle area. And then more than likely, I might possibly cut into this for the NomadPort. That could happen. I either cut through this or through the mesh. Let's look at the windows. I just don't want the heater on one side. Okay, that's nice. Decent airflow. I got the stove jack here. But yeah, I feel like maybe a NomadPort hole like right here might be good. We'll see. So we'll take a look at this thing. It looks pretty good. I'm happy to try it out here. Hopefully in a few weeks, do a little trip or something and see how it holds up. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how it holds up over time for this super cheap tent. This was something like 300 bucks or whatever on Amazon. So as far as these kinds of tents go, it's about as cheap as you can get. So cross your fingers that it holds up. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Thank you.